So previous classes I think start question completed question number 8. I think question number 8 is completed, and question number 9 is already discussed previous classes, question number 9. So now start question number 10. Question number 10 का first part or second part. Suppose first part. First is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Factorize. So this 27 can return 3 cube and y cube. So this can return 3y whole cube, and 125 can return 5 cube and z cube. So this can return 5z into whole cube. Then use identity aq plus bq, that is xq plus yq. What is identity xq plus yq or aq plus bq? This aq plus bq is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is identity. So here a is equal to 3y and b is equal to 5z. So use identity, then a plus b, that is 3y plus 5z into a square, a that is 3y whole square minus a that is 3y into b that is 5z plus b square that is 5z whole square. So this equal to 3y plus 5z, 3y square that is 9y square minus 15yz plus 5 square 25 into z square. So this is the factorization, same as second part. Then question number 11. Now question number 11th is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Factorize it. So this 27x cube, 27 can return 3 cube. So this equal to 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus this 9xyz can return 3 into 3x into y into z. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, 3 into 3 9xyz आ रहा है. Then use identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Since x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to what is identity? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So use this identity. So this equal to x plus y plus z. What is x? 3x. So 3x plus y plus z into x square. What is x here? 3x. So its square, that is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus x. What is x? 3x and y, that is y, minus yz, same as yz, minus zx, here z and x 3x. So this product is 3zx. This can return. So this is the factorization of question number 11th. Now question number 12th. Now question number 12. Factorize it. 12th given, that is 12th, verify that. Question number 12. Verify that. Question is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. That is verify. So taking LHS or direct taking RHS. So solution taking RHS. So RHS is 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Now expand it. So this equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Now expand x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. So use formula a minus b whole square. That is x square minus 2xy plus y square plus y minus z whole square, that is y square plus z square minus 2yz, z minus x whole square, z square minus 2zx plus x square. So expand किए only minus b whole square use formula. Now simplify it. So 1 by 2 ax plus y plus z into here x square plus x square, that is 2x square, y square plus y square, 2y square, z square plus z square plus 2z square, then write minus 2xy, then minus 2yz, then minus 2zx. Now here 2 is common from this bracket, 2 is common. So this equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z, 2 is common, then becomes x square plus y square plus z square, here 2 is common, minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now this 2 cancel. So this equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And this is the identity of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So this equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So proved it, verified. So question number 12 is completed. And same as question number 13, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0 given, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So now question number 13. So try question 13 is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Question number 13. Here given, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Here given x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Proof. So what is question? Here x plus y plus z is equal to 0 given. Then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So first use identity. Identity is since x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, what is formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Formula is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity. Now if x plus y plus z given, here sum of these three terms be 0, so put value 0, x plus y plus z 0, so 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Since x plus y plus z is equal to 0 given, so multiplied 0, that is 0. So this is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Taking this term right side, so this imply x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Proved. So question number 13 is completed. Now question number 14. Question number 14 is without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Without calculating, actually calculating. Question is first part, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Find the value x cube plus y cube plus z cube. And without actually calculating, that is minus 12 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 7 को 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 5 को 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और तीनों को सिंप्लीफाई करोगे आंसर आपका आ जाएगा, बट नॉट विदाउट एक्चुअली कैलकुलेटिंग. दैट इज यूज आइडेंटिटी. सो फर्स्ट वी सपोज let this first number minus 12, let x is equal to minus 12, y is equal to 7 and z is equal to 5. First number suppose x, second number suppose y and third number suppose z. So let x, y, z. Now find their, check their sum. What is their sum? So that is x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z is equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, that is minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So sum of three term x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So use the identity. So therefore your previous question, x plus y plus z is equal to 0, therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is the identity. x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Now put the values of all the terms. So what is x here? Here x minus 12 cube, y cube that is 7 cube, z cube that is 5 cube is equal to 3x, x that is minus 12 into y that is 7, z that is into 5. So now multiply it. So 7, 5, first all sign plus, one sign here minus. So plus minus sign minus. Here 3 into 7, 21 and 12 into 5, 60. Now multiply 21 into 6, that is minus 0, 6, 1, 2, 6, 0. That is, this is the cube of 3 numbers. Similarly, question number 2 is completed. Now, question number 15. Question number 15. Give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles. Give possible expression for the length and breadth for each of the following rectangles in which their area are given. That is, area of rectangle given, and write possible its length and breadth. So first part area given, area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12, area given, and find its possible length and breadth. 25a square, for length or breadth, area of rectangle given, find for length and breadth. So first factorize the given area, factorize it. It is quadratic expression, so it has 2 linear factors. So one factor is length and other factor is breadth. 25a square can retain 5a whole square, and or use formula. This is not a minus b whole square, not whole square. So for factorization, first check that first and third, product of first and third, that is here factorize by splitting the middle term. Factorize it by splitting the middle term. So first multiply first and third. So what is first? 25a square and third is 12. So now find its product. So 25, 250 plus 50, that is 300. So product is 300a square. Now split 300. Now split 300. 300 split कीजिए. 5, 5, 6 again 5, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So there are 6 factors. Now convert these 6 factors into 2 factors such that their sum or subtract is equal to 35. So how to make sum and subtract? So suppose this one is 2, 2, 2, 25, and multiply all these factors. So 4, 12, 25 and 12, 5, 5, 25, and 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Their sum or subtract not is equal to 35. So change next. Suppose 5 into 2, that is 10, and next 6 into 5, that is 30. Suppose this 5 to 1 factor, that is 10, and next all other factor 30, their sum or subtract not is equal to 35. So make next factor. This suppose 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, this 3 1 suppose 1 factor, all 3, that is 5 into 2 into 2, that is 20, and 5 into 3 15. So these 6 factors, first suppose 5 into 2 into 2 1 factor, and next 5 into 3 other factor. So 5 into 4 that is 20, and 5 into 3 that is 15. So 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. Process क्या है, first multiply first and third term and split the middle term. So now split, ये split कर दें. So this area is equal to, so आप इस 35 को क्या लिखेंगे, 20 plus 15. So this area is equal to 25a square minus 35a can written 20a minus 15a and plus 12. So now taking common, what is common, 5a is common. So what is remaining term, 5a minus 4, and what is common here, 3 common, then 5a minus 4. Now whole is common, 5a minus 4. So this equal to, first factor is 5a minus 3 and other factor is 5a minus 4. Other factor is 5a minus 4. This is a 2 factors, that is this is a area of rectangle, and since area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, so this first factor, length that is smaller part, length that is larger part. So which value is greater, 5a minus 3 or 5a minus 4? Which value is greater? This 5a minus 3 is greater. A, here A depend on the value of A. So possible value of length is 5a minus 3 is length. So possible length is equal to 5a minus 3 and breadth B is equal to 5a minus 4, because 5a minus 3 is greater than to 5a minus 4. आप 5a में 3 माइनस कर रहे हो और यहाँ 5a में 4 माइनस कर रहे हैं. So 5 minus a is greater than 5 minus 4. So this is the length and breadth. Okay.